Hello, I'll be demonstrating how to create a small network with a DHCP server. So with this topology, we have one router, which is on the 10.10.13 network, and we have 4 PCs here connected to a switch. So first, we'll look at the server, and you're going to want to assign an IP address, static address here. So I chose 10.10.13.3. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.192, and the default gateway is 10.10.13.1. And I'm using this default gateway because this is the same address as the fast Ethernet 0/0 port, which is connected from the router to the switch. So this would be the gateway for the server as well as the PCs. And then, after we do that, we can look at the services. And since we want to set up DHCP, we can select DHCP. And then your setting will be turned off at first. We'll turn the service on. We'll give the pool a name. Say perhaps sales pool. Give the default gateway, which is 10.10.13.1. The DNS server if you have one, and then here will be the starting IP address. So this is the addresses that will begin handing out to the PCs. So I wanted to start at 10, that way I can confirm that it's working correctly. And the subnet mask, which is the same as should be the same as you set in here. Same subnet mask. Go back to services. Maximum amount of users, I set 20. Could probably reduce that to about, I don't know, 6. And then you have to make sure you press save. Server pool name cannot be modified, will be added. It's perfect. And now we can verify that these are working by going to one of the PCs. It'll be on static. You can click on DHCP under IP configuration. And you can see that DHCP request was successful, and it gave it the address 10.10.13.14. You can go on this PC. DHCP. DHCP request was successful. See, it gave it the address 10.10.13.10. DHCP request is successful. And then it'll go into 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way up. You basically know it's working because it'll say DHCP request successful, and if we turn off this service, you can verify. Turn it off. You can try again. And this is how you know it does not work. It'll say DHCP failed, a PIPA is being used. And that'll be all.